Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very super excited to draw a Naruto second part. Previous video I am drawing Naruto first part in 10 minutes. Today I am draw 1 hour, so a very biggest challenge because this drawing is very easy and this drawing is completed in 30 to 40 minutes. But I have extra 20 minutes, so let's start the video. First of all, we are apply the masking tape on the first part. Who does not watch a first part, so go and watch first part and after watching this part, because you cannot qualify, you cannot understand this video and this challenge, so please go watch and first part on the screen in a I button. So we are start the our challenge 1 hour. I am pop up Naruto's picture in our screen, so let's start. amazing how art can evoke such as emotions and inspire us. I hope you enjoyed this tutorials, and if you did, don't forget to like button and subscribe to my channel for more artistic adventures. Stay tuned for next part. Next part is very excited, so please turn on the bell icon where we will going to into the Naruto's epic ninja battle. Until then, keep inspiring, love, kindness and understanding. Take care guys. Bye bye.